Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn IT with Vengat. Today's video I am going to discuss about how to do the circuit for LCD 16 Class 2 with Arduino board in the Tinkercad environment. We will see how. Go to tinkercad.com, log in into your account. You can use your Gmail account to get into it. Once you log in, go to circuits and create new circuit. So this is our work area. So for this scenario, I am in need of Arduino board. So put it inside and I am just rotating. You can select this board and if you click R it will rotate. So keep the board like this. And next I am in need of breadboard. So breadboard small, I am going to keep it like this. And next I am in need of LCD. So just click it and put it inside. Now I will give the connections. So from this negative to this negative and change to black color, and from this positive to this positive and change to red color. So once you give this link, the entire breadboard will get the power supply. You have connected this positive to positive and negative to negative. So either any one side if you give a power, then both the side we will get a power supply. So for that we have connected both the ends, positive to positive and negative to negative. And here we have a ground, give it to negative and change that into black. And the next is power, so give it to positive and change that into red. And from here positive I am going to give it to 5 volt. So take the connection and give it to this 5 volt and change that into red color. And from the negative I am going to give it to ground. So this side I am going to give it to the ground and change that into black. Okay. Next we have to take the code for this LCD. So go to Google and type LCD code for Arduino. Once you search it, you will get this arduino.cc and just hello world LCD code. Just right click and you will get this page. So here you will get the code for LCD display for printing hello world. So if you move down, here you will get a code. Just Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and go back to your work area and click the code and here change that text, and here it will ask you the confirmation. Just click continue. You will get some default code. Ctrl A, delete the code and Ctrl V to paste the copied code of this LCD. So here you have a circuit design instructions, how you have to give the circuits. So based on this we have to connect it here. First LED cathode, so which is negative, so take it and give it here in the negative slot and make this as black color. And the next is LED anode. LED anode is positive, we can't give directly to the positive slot, we have to give it through resistor. So choose the resistor and here you can fix it. So one leg of the resistor is in the positive slot and another leg you can take it to the LED anode. So this is going to be in red color. So if you look at the code, you want 10k resistor. So if you click the resistor, by default it will come with 1k. Actually we need, as per the code, we need 10k. So here I am giving resistance 10. Okay, that's it. And then now I am going to give the connections one by one based on this circuit instruction. So first RS pin to digital pin 12. So if you look at here, this is the RS pin which is register select. So choose this pin and move here and give it to digital 12. As per this first instruction, RS pin to digital pin 12 and let it be orange color. You can give different colors for differentiating the connections. And second, enable pin to 11. So if you go here, you will have enable pin and from here you have to give it to 11th digital pin, and here this is going to be in yellow color. and D4 pin to pin 5, digital pin 5. So just check it here. This is DB0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth pin. So fourth pin I have to give it to the pin 5. Choose here and go here and give it to pin 5. And this is going to be, let it be this color, and D5 is going to be in digital pin 4. So this is D5. So choose here and this is going to be D4, and here I am giving blue color, and D6 is going to be in pin number 3. So here D6 and D3, and this is going to be in purple color, and D7 is going to be pin 2. So this is going to be a D7. So here I am going to take it and give it to the D2 and let it be pink color. Okay, and rewrite pin to ground. So check for read write. Here is the read write to ground. So give it to the negative slat and make this as black color, and VSS pin to ground, and VCC pin which is going to be the 5 volt. So here the VCC which we have given it to the positive slat, and from that positive slat we have given it to the 5 volt, and 10k we have given already, and 5 volt we have supplied, and ground from the negative slat we have given it to the ground here. At last we need wiper, which is going to be the potentiometer. From there you have to supply the voltage output VO pin. So this is the VO pin contrast. So this pin has to connect with the potentiometer wiper slat. So for that, here you have a potentiometer, just click it and you can put it inside the breadboard, and it is having 3 legs, and this terminal, let it be positive, and this is going to be in red color, and this last pin is going to be a negative, and this is going to be a black. The first and last one is going to be a terminal, and the middle one is going to be the wiper. If you look at the code, wiper you have to connect with LCD VO pin. So from here you take and give it to the contrast, which is VO pin here, and let it be brown color. So all these connections over, and if you look at the code, and this is the header file, we have to include it, and here we have a liquid crystal display which is LCD, and we have used pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2, which you can get it from this circuit design. So 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. The same here, they have initialized the interfaces for this LCD wherever you have given it. And in the setup, here we have to initialize that LCD begin. This is actually, you know that this is 16x2 LCD. So 16 columns will be there and 2 rows will be there. So there will be 16 characters you can print it. In 2 rows you can print it. That is the meaning of this statement. And here I am printing LCD dot printf is the method, and first I am printing hello comma world I am printing. Okay, as I told you before, maximum 16 characters you can print it. And in the loop, so here LCD dot set cursor, I am initializing the cursor of LCD. So it starts with 0, that is the 0th column, and first row. Okay, that is the first line. Okay, and second I am printing the milliseconds for the counter purpose. You can change this, we will change this later. This is the meaning of this code, very simple code, and here I am executing the program. So start simulation. It started now, but here you can't see any message in the LCD. So for that you have to increase the potentiometer for making that brightness. So if you maximize it, here you can get the hello world. So this is the counter part, which is the millisecond here. Okay, if you want to reset it, you can click this red button to reset. So again it will reset the timer. If you reduce the potentiometer, that brightness will be reduced, because here this is the wiper which is giving connection to this contrast. So when you increase the contrast, it will increase the display brightness and you will get the message. and stop this. So as I told, this is accepting maximum 16 characters. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, followed by that 14, 15, 16. So I am just adding some more characters, and again I start the simulation and check whether it is printing. Yes, here it is printing all the 4 exclamatory symbol. And stop. If I increase it more than 16 characters and also start the simulation, but here you could see only 4 exclamatory symbols because it supports only 16 characters, and this is the first row and this is the second row. That is what we call it as a line number 1 and line number 2. Stop the execution. Suppose here if you don't want that milliseconds to display, means here you can give it double quotes, hello world, let it be welcome. So hello world, welcome is the message. So start the simulation again. So here you can see the message changed, hello world, welcome. Okay, so this is how you can interact with this LCD. You can use this LCD in many projects and make this LCD to display some messages to the user. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel for getting more video updates. Bye bye.